Hi, are you looking for the state-of-the-art, feature-loaded CAD/CAM solution for your furniture production? Do you need a single platform from design to furniture production? Are you looking for a proven, reliable and best-in-the-class furniture design solution? HOMAG X combines the cutting-edge technology and the intuitive design to optimize the production like never before. With HOMAG X, you can integrate your entire production line into one unified system. You can save up to 70% of the time from idea to production. HOMAG X is the solution where automation meets craftsmanship. For more information, please log on to indiashop.homag.com. Thank you.